Here you have the females. This one's the light blue with some spots on them. Here you have more of a brindle color. Of course, the fawn bluey there. Here you have like a blue fawn. That's more like a blue fawn. That one's more like the daddy, kind of a seal color. And where are you going, huh? Hey, sweetheart. Yes, look at you. This is my favorite. Look at that face. Cutie. You guys ready to go eat? Not too much white on them. The one that has probably the most white is this one. But this is the females.